Good morning. Say good morning. I'm skipping my nap. He woke up at like 6:45. It is 9:33 and you have not slept. He's been in his bed a few times. How are you not sleepy? You've been awake almost 3 hours. That's a long time. And look at him. He is not tired. He slept for 9 hours straight. So that was really good. He almost always sleeps amazing at night, but naps. We don't nap around here, do we? Can we go night-night with the baby? Don't you want to go night-night? How about you take a nap and I can finish getting ready? Can I finish my makeup? Well, good morning, guys. Welcome to another day in the life video. It's around 10 a.m. and all you've really missed is me trying to get Forrest down for his morning nap, which took a really long time because it's not that dark in our room. We have the blackout curtains on the windows and it's not as dark in our room as it was in the last house. So I think what we're going to do is put his crib in his room tonight, get that set up. I still haven't set up his room at all, and have him start taking his naps in his room. I think it'll be so much darker in there. I think he'll sleep better. It won't take as long to get him down. So yeah, I'm kind of sad that he's going to be taking naps in his room, but I feel like it will be way better for him. Yeah, I'm going to pick up for a little bit and, oh, actually I'm going to show you some things first. The first thing I want to show you is the new kitchen faucet, and I am obsessed with this. I'm going to start an Amazon highlight tab on my Instagram with all of like the new home stuff. So that will be up by the time this video is posted. And look at the flowers on the handle right there. So pretty, so much detail on this faucet. I really like that the coil is super tight and there's no space in between it, because the rose gold faucet at the last house, it got sort of dusty since the coils were like an inch apart. This does come off of here too, to spray around in your sink. And I wanted to do shiny gold because I feel like that's not very popular, and the like flat gold is super popular. Everybody has that. And believe me, I know shiny gold, it can look so tacky and cheap if it's not done the right way. So I'm trying to be really careful with everything that I ordered. I don't know if Chad, I think he can install this. I don't know. He installed the pendant lights. He knows how to do that. So I'm going to ask him if he knows how to do the faucet. We didn't even talk about that. The other thing we just put up last night are the pendant lights. And I found these on Amazon for only $50 each. Whenever I buy stuff online, I'm like obsessed with making sure I get the best deal. So for example, I just sent someone, a family member, a link for a chair that I have, and I bought it for $200, and I saw on another website the same chair for $800. Like, that is an astronomical price difference, you know? So I always make sure I get the best deal, and $49.99 for each of these was the best deal. I'm sure in a few days the white cord will straighten out perfectly from the weight of the lamp. It was like wrapped in the box, so that'll be perfectly straight in no time. I just think the basket weave look is so pretty. And I'm looking for, I don't know how to describe it, basically like a trash can that has a basket around it, and in the same shade of this. I looked online, I didn't find it. I'm going to look again to put right here. Someone told me that they had that for their trash can and it doesn't even look like a trash can. I think that is such a cool idea. I would have never thought of that, so thank you to the person that commented that. I'm going to link these on that home highlight tab, and I will link these stools too. Oh, good morning. Hi. Okay. Hi, my love. You ready? See what I mean? We have those up there, but it's still extremely bright in here. They worked way better at the last house since it was a smaller room. But in here, it's too bright for the baby, right? Okay, let's check your diaper and then let's eat, okay? And welcome to the next day. I broke my camera last night, or actually broke it like right after the last clip. So yesterday afternoon, I had to send Chad to Best Buy to pick up a new camera for me, and I'm still going to look into getting that one fixed, but I feel like it's probably so expensive it's not even worth it. So that really was not fun. But anyways, I am about to pick up the kitchen, and then I have a lot of things I need to get done as usual. I never get done what I need to do in a day. Seriously, I'm never like fully caught up. So I am trying to start getting caught up and doing my best and all of that. After the camera broke yesterday, I straightened up Forrest's room. We're going to put the crib in his room tonight and the camera. We didn't do it last night since my camera broke and we had to do all this stuff for that. So he's down for a nap right now in my room, and again, it was a struggle. I feel bad for him because I can tell like he wants to sleep, but he can't. I think it's that whole like 4-month sleep regression, but it has not hit him at night, and I'm crossing my fingers it doesn't, because the sleep deprivation with a new baby is so real. I cannot even imagine going through it again. Yeah, so I'm gonna stop rambling, pick all of this up, and then hopefully I can start that Instagram highlight tab. And by the way, here's what I'm snacking on right now. I've been trying a lot of like healthy bars lately, and I really like these ones. I picked it up in a huge pack from Costco. It has, I think, 3 or 4 flavors in it. And then I'm having my second and last coffee of the day. Alexa, play Leon Bridges.
On my own, but I'm never alone. On a road to wherever I want. And you see, I go with the wind, the places I've been, I keep them within. Holding on to a feeling so strong.
We're going to take all of this upstairs to the baby bathroom in just a second. First, I'm going to put this in my office, which is kind of pointless, and you will see why in a second. So this is my office. That's how far I've gotten. Absolutely nowhere. I saw a desk that I really liked, but I think it's too big. So what I'm going to do for now is set up one of my desks downstairs in here. I might put the rug in here that was in the living room at the last house. I think it might be a little too big though. I don't even know where it is. So yeah, I have a lot to figure out in here. I know we're painting the walls white for sure, and I want a desk in the middle of the room, but I have to see like how everything else fits in here, if that will make sense. There's just so many things to do. I don't even know where to start. The first projects like that are the most important to us are the kitchen, the dining room, the living room, and our bedroom and the baby room. It's all important. I don't even know what to say. So maybe tonight or tomorrow I can bring my desk up here in a rug and at least get something started so I can start sitting in here and using it instead of just all of that. Hey, that wasn't very long. Aren't you sleepy? I think that was 30 minutes. Right around 30 minutes. Man, our nap averages are short. If we're in the car, I know you would sleep a lot longer than 30 minutes. So here is Forrest's room. There's not a whole lot in here right now. I'm going to do some bookshelves right here in arc shape, since that's a corner. And then I vacuumed everything in here yesterday. I started to put stuff in his closet, so I'll show you that. There's a bunch of stuff hung up, baskets down there, baskets down there. We're going to put in at least one more shelf in there of hanging for all of his clothes and whatever else we put in there. A bunch of stuff in this Pampers box that doesn't fit him anymore, so that's going to go into storage. Some toys are downstairs. There's not a whole lot of toys in there. I washed a lot of them. He has almost all like fabric toys right now, so those are in the laundry room. Books on the floor. He did his tummy time right here, and he rolled over for the first time when he woke up today, so that was really fun. And then this thing, all of you have seen that at the old house. I need to put the shelves in down here and get all of his stuff up there. So some progress, but I'm looking forward to at least having his bed in here and his rocking chair and all that. Why Crabby? Yeah? I think he just learned he can scream or something. Because you're not crying. We calm down now. Are you feeling better? You better? So, I know a lot of you guys are moms, obviously. And we went to his 4-month checkup a few weeks ago, and his doctor said we can start to feed him real food, and we can even feed him spicy food. I don't know why he told us that, but he said if you're eating anything soft, and even if it's spicy, he can try it. And I mean, I'm definitely not feeding him spicy food. But I wanted to ask you guys like what you first fed your babies. I think we're going to do like, I don't know, like the pureed sweet potatoes and the pureed vegetables. But we're kind of nervous to like feed him real food. And I'm gonna wait a little longer. I'm gonna wait until probably like at least 5 months to even sample anything. Do you like looking at yourself? I don't know, it's just gonna be weird feeding him food. I feel like I don't even know where to start with that. So I'm gonna start doing some research, but if you have any tips, ideas, recommendations, let me know, because I feel like I'm starting at knowing nothing. It's a few hours later. Fori and Daddy, what? Yeah. Are right here, and our dining table is going to be here in a few minutes. We just got a phone call that it's on its way. What's going on over here?
Nothing.
Hopefully it's not too big, but I mean, I'm sure it's like super packed in there. I think he's teething because do you see the redness on his face? Hey, right there on his chin. I think it's a little bit red. That is actually not at all what I was expecting, but I like it.
Really? What were you expecting? We picked it out, didn't we?
Yeah, I mean, it's so hard to, from photos online, to actually like,
Oh, it's so heavy.
I feel like it's the perfect size.
Rising up and above, you will always keep my heart and soul strong. Plant your seeds and watch them grow. The light will always know where to go. You will always keep my heart and soul strong.
It's a lot later. I'm grabbing a snack right now. I tried to get Forrest down. It's almost 9. I tried to get him down for a nap for literally almost an hour, and he was not about it. His room was finally set up though, so let's go take a look. Oh, and the dining table. Apparently there's something wrong with it. Right here, these holes are rusty and it's like split, obviously. So it's not attaching onto the top. We sent the company an email, but very annoying. I mean, we've been waiting almost a month.
There you were! A real superhero with superhuman powers. In a suit with a cape, and who knows, no fear, you can fly high up into the atmosphere.
Hey, that's your book.
Sometimes you grab my hand and whoa, we go into the sky. So fast and so free, just for fun, and because I have someplace to be. It's because you want to sit up, I know. Come here.
First thing in the morning and the last. Baby, you're my future and you are my past. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough.
It is 9:42 and we cannot get this baby to sleep. I tried for, seriously, almost 3 hours probably. So he's up there right now with Chad. I can hear him whining. I'm gonna go up there in a second if he doesn't stop. But it's been a night. That's why I'm not updating you that much in this vlog like I normally do, because all I've been trying to do is get him to sleep. We did get the table a little more put together, but there's like water damage on parts of it. And I guess this thing is almost stripped. The screws are not like screwing in. So we're waiting for an email back from the company. It probably won't happen for, I don't know, a few days. The first thing is an Itsy Ritzy teether, a Ritzy Rattle teether. I definitely think Forrest is starting his teething. He does have a little bit of like a red rash on his chin, and he is like fussier. I looked it up and everything says he's teething, so I got this one. I also got a mitten, and I got 2 of these on accident. I didn't realize that I had both in my cart. So I have this one and one that looks very similar, which honestly, he's not even that interested in it. Whenever I put this on, I feel like he thinks he's being punished or something. He doesn't like it, so hopefully he starts liking it. I did get these for teething also. I might put frozen milk in those. And then some larger bottles. We only have the 3-ounce ones right now for a newborn. He never gets bottles, by the way. I would say like once or twice a month. Honestly, it's so rare, and it's only because I feel really guilty about it, which I don't even know why, because I don't think anyone should. Like, if he's fed and he's happy, but I always feel so bad about bottles, so I don't do it. And I'm trying to like stop thinking that way. I don't know, it's like, I honestly don't know why I think that way, because I don't think that I should. We have so much frozen milk too, so I feel like I'm wasting this by not using it. I don't know why I'm like being so weird about that. And the last thing is a turtle thermometer. I bought this on Amazon because the last few baths, Forrest has been so fussy, and he always has loved the bath. He's only ever cried like the last maybe 3 times, so I'm paranoid about like the water temperature. And all I'm going to do now is take a shower. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this one. I feel like it was not as eventful as they normally are, but I hope that you liked it. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I will see you right here in a few days in a brand new video. Bye.